Hi everybody, Julie the Wimpy Chick here with day 11 of my 31-day series of how to get your yarn organized for the upcoming year. So, I don't know about you, but I live in a very small house, like really small house. I don't have a lot of space for my yarn, and that's actually kind of why I don't keep a lot of yarn in my house. However, I do want to have space for the yarn that I do have, and I really like how this person in this picture has utilized every square inch of space that they have. They even used like the roof line, the slant of the roof line, to store their yarn, which is really creative. Like, I would have been like, well, that's wasted space right there. But I would be wrong to assume that that space is wasted space. I think it's really a great idea that they just did that diagonal rise of their cubes, and they created a good space for their yarn. So I guess the takeaway here is, no matter how small your space, there's always room to think outside the box, think creatively, and figure out a way to store the things you love. Okay, I think that's it for today's video. So tomorrow is day 12 of this series, and I look forward to seeing you. But let me know in the comments below, do you have any storage situations that are maybe making things difficult for you? And if so, how have you overcome those storage problems so that you get to keep as much yarn as you can? I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. And until tomorrow, have a great day. Okay, bye.